we're going to have some rain.
Okay, so here we have a typical safety issue with pool lighting. So we have a 32 volt transformer, which is an old company called Stroud used to supply this product, which is very good back in its day. However, these days pool compliance is 12 volt. So 32 volt, not a good safe voltage to be working with. Secondly, and this is a major concern, this is the roof of the property, and as you can see, we've located a transformer down in the roof eave here, which clearly is not good for ventilation, and we're now going to need to put a transformer in here, and it's going to run very hot, particularly in the summer heat. So a good safety aspect for us would be to relocate this transformer and put it in a well ventilated area. So if that's something that you're interested in finding out, if you've got a transformer up in your roof, it might be a good idea to relocate it, get the electrician out, do the job properly, have it safe, have it compliant to a 12 volt low voltage compliance voltage, and maintainable, so it's reachable without having this. You can clearly see we've had to climb up the ladder and pull the roof tiles off, which all adds cost to your maintenance costs. So if this was mounted on the outside wall, piece of cake in 5 or 10 years time when it needs changing. So there you go, another safety aspect from Alpha LED Lighting. Thanks for watching.